Hi, this is Sharon and welcome to my channel. Today I'd like to share with you how I make a fresh, healthy tomato soup. We're going to start off with fresh tomatoes. So if you like to see this video, stick around. Okay, so what I do is I cut the smaller tomatoes in half and I put them in a bowl. And for the larger tomatoes, I cut the top off, and then I split it in half, and then I split the halves in half. And I put those in a bowl. Then I take the onion and take off the ends. And I peel the rest of the skins off, which is pretty usually easy. And then I split that in fourths. First in half, then in fourths. Put it in the bowl. And the garlic, I just take those, throw them in the bowl. So then I take everything that I put in the bowl, the garlic, the onions, and the tomatoes, and I cover it with a tablespoon and a half of olive oil. And I mix it up, usually with my hands, like this. And then I place them on a baking sheet with the oven preheated at 375. After that, I pop them in the oven. So I turn everything over. This is going to be so good and so savory, so fresh. I pour all the juices back in. And this is how it looks. And I pop it in the oven. Okay, so it's been an hour. And the tomatoes and the onions and garlic are ready. And this is them straight out of the oven. Let me tip it up a little bit so you can see it. Look at all that juice. All that's going to go in the blender. And I could use the immersion blender, but you just put it in the blender. I'm going to let it cool off in there. So I'm going to finish putting it in the blender. So everything's in the blender, and this is how I take the inner parts of the garlic out and put it into the blender. If you missed that one, let's do another one. Just squeeze it out. Put it in the blender. I add at least, this is 2 cups of distilled water. I'm going to add 1 cup to start with. That's probably all I need. 1 teaspoon of thyme, 1 teaspoon of oregano, and 1 teaspoon of basil, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 1/2 teaspoon of pepper. And I put the top on. Start out slow and just blend away. So I'll be back with the pouring it in the pot. Okay, so here's the finished product. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.